No, that's not me. That's part of the game. So my goal is to delete all the Snorzees. Okay, so delete all the Snorzees. So I have to click on them by color. That's funny. That's actually, this game is funny. I like this game, guys. This game is really funny. What's this? Oh, I messed up because... Okay, so you have to get rid of all of them. Listen to that noise. That's funny. Oh, sorry for sneezing in my video. So let's just click all of them like that. Or get rid of all of them. I like playing new games. New games are funner than the games that you play like all the time. Alright, so we only have 2 red ones, so let's try to get those red ones. Yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. We actually beat level 1 this time. Oh, is this level 2 or is it just like the same level? Menu. Okay, level 2. I wonder what level 42 looks like. Oh, I get because it's harder now. Oh, they started falling again. Okay, I almost clicked on this blue one, but then that wouldn't be a wise choice because... Yeah. Now it's okay. And now we gotta get those 3 yellow ones. Perfect. Whoa, there's just like boxing. It's kind of easy at first, but then it gets really challenging like at the very end. I'm glad that there's not like a limited amount of time that you can rotate the screen. Oh, that's why it makes it difficult. That makes it really difficult. This game is actually a lot more funner than what it looks. Wait, did I already mess up? Oh, no, it's off too. That was actually really easy. Okay, maybe not. Ah, that's hard. Those 2 blue ones are hard. Nice. Cool. I'm tempted to do 1 more level. My screen cap is 5 minutes, so I can't upload a video longer than 5 minutes. So I'm going to try to do this really fast. No! No, there's no more yellow. They almost fell asleep. No. Well, that's okay.